Hello students, Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome to the first online class of the academic year 2021-22. My dear students, everyone is staying at home safely, right? Yes, this is the time to be safe at home and kindly follow all the safety precautions and be safe at home, my dear students. And now I am here to welcome you all for the first online session of our English. And I am Rekha, Assistant Teacher, BGS Public School, Bagepalli, and I am going to take you English and looking forward to an awesome year with you all, my dear students. And now in this class, I am just going to introduce you what is a language. Language shapes the way we think and determines what we can think about. If you learn different types of languages, it will help you in shaping in your thinking. And people one who speak different languages focus on different things. If you learn different languages, you can focus on different things. And it influences, that means it helps you in your thinking and process of our feelings also. And why should we learn a language? Come here. The more that you read, the more things you will know. Yes or no? If you read more things, you will know more things. The more you learn, the more places you go. If you learn different types of languages, you can go more places. Understood? And if you any language, not only English, if you take any different languages throughout the world, you can communicate with all the people and you can enjoy your journey. So all the best for your new session. And in this class, I am not going to teach you related any of the academic syllabus. I'm just wanted to make you something fun in this class. What's that? I'm going to teach you tongue twisters. Have you heard about tongue twisters? Why these tongue twisters are helpful? Tongue twisters are a great way to practice and improve pronunciation and your fluency. 5 tongue twisters. You have to read out fast this one, not slowly. Can you, can ye, can as ye. No, that is, you have to read it fast. Can you, can a, can as a canner, can a can. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Ice cream, you scream, we'll all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Seashells by the seashore. The big fat cat sat on the rat. Can you, can a can as a canner, can a can. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Seashells by the seashore. The big fat cat sat on the rat. Tongue twisters, which makes you to learn the language very funny. And this, now see, these tongue twisters helps you to improve your pronunciation and also language fluency. So in this class, what you have to do, you have to practice all these 5 tongue twisters. Practice and just send your audios. Let's have some fun. Okay? Don't say it for, try it in fast mode. Okay? Okay, bye students. This is your today's class.